Here's a 3D part that I want to send so that it can be 3D printed. I'm going to have my part open, and I'm going to go up to File, and then the tiny arrow next to the word Print. Don't click the word Print. This will bring up an extra menu. We then want to select Send to 3D Print Service. This will bring up an additional menu, and it'll tell us roughly how big the part we're about to make is. And then we can hit OK. Now it's time to save it, and you want to save it in a place that'll make it easy to find. I'm going to save in my downloads because that's what's here right now. Give your file a name that'll help you remember this is what I want printed. And then hit save. That's it. The next step is to share that file. If this is something that is for class and for a grade, make sure you add it to Google Classroom. However, if this is just something you're making for fun, feel free to send it to me in an email. Note that if you send me something that needs to be graded in an email, I'm not going to grade it until it's turned in on Google Classroom.